Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the lock style and creating a clear workspace. Use a small screwdriver to remove a cover plate if present, and gently probe the keyway with a thin pin to feel tumblers. Once you know the mechanism, apply a light household lubricant to loosen internal parts. This reduces resistance and prevents breakage. Make sure to hold the diary steady and avoid forcing components. You need tactile feedback, so listen and feel for clicks as you manipulate the latch to begin freeing the mechanism. You now focus on aligning the internal pieces. With slight tension applied, probe the cylinder and lift each pin or segment until you detect a distinct give. That's alignment. Rotate incrementally while repeating the feel and lift rhythm. If a spring or cam has slipped, use needle nose pliers to compress and guide it back into its seat. This restores correct travel. Move deliberately. Rushing bends parts or shears fragile metal. Once alignment feels consistent across positions, test the latch movement to confirm progress. You finish by reassembling and verifying smooth operation. Replace any cover plate and snug screws just enough to hold parts without deforming plates. Turn the key or cylinder through the full range repeatedly to seat components and spread lubricant, making sure the diary opens reliably. If it still sticks, loosen screws slightly and redo the alignment steps, then relubricate targeted areas. One key troubleshooting tip: if the mechanism binds, back off tension and recheck pin positions. Gentle realignment often cures a stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.